Do you ever wonder how to deal with some of those bare spots in your lawn? I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a seeding solution for small spaces right after this.
What's the first step of any building or repair project? I always make sure I have the tools and materials I need, starting with the Quikrete mobile app. With easy one-touch access, you can watch project video instructions, quickly pull up a material shopping list, and make sure you have what you need, or use the app to figure out how much you need and find out where to buy it. You can even share your finished project via the Quick Share function. It's the tool you can use from start to finish. Download the Quikrete mobile app on the App Store or Google Play today.
As the weather warms up, we're all a little more concerned about making our lawns look great. If you're only dealing with just a few bare spots in your yard, it can be a little difficult to evenly spread grass seed. Now, a rotary or drop spreader would be ideal for the whole yard, but how do you evenly apply seed to just a small 3 or 4 square foot area? The answer may be in your recycling bin. Grab a small plastic berry container, the kind with slots in the sides to let the fruit drain, and fill it up with grass seed. As you shake the container back and forth over the bare spots, the seeds will sift out through the slots to evenly cover the area. With a little water and a little sunshine, your yard problem is solved. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.